Samavrita. Krishna is covered with Yogamaya, and those who are materialistic, they do not understand. But a devotee is also in Yogamaya, then Yogamaya, both can unite. Ha ha, Krishna comes playing flute. Vishwanath Chakravarti, our spiritual master, 400 years ago, writing Bhagavatam commentary. He wanted to know what was the feeling of Mother Yashoda when she was tying Lord Krishna. Krishna broke the butter part, half churned yogurt. Yogurt is halfway churned, so she let it cool down, she has something else to do. Krishna came thinking, making her think that she did not care about me, let me take care of her. So he broke the pot, took out the rod, churning rod, and broke the pot. And Krishna is so wonderful. He wants to play Maya, Leela. He wants to do Leela. So all the water, yogurt is all over the floor, is also on his feet. So when he's walking, his chinnam are there. So when Krishna said, so he wants to play Leela. So here, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is praying to Krishna. It's not written in Bhagavatam like this. He's praying to Krishna, what was your situation at that time? What was the situation of your mother? You please tell. Now my situation was that I made sure mother find out where I was. So I made sure that yogurt come to my feet, and I walk, and if all my feet prana chinnam is all my signs of feet are everywhere, and I'm sitting outside feeding monkeys some butter. But it's Bhagavatam is not written. Krishna is coming in front of him and telling him. So Mother Yashoda is very angry. Not written in Bhagavatam. Mother Yashoda becomes very angry and she searches for a stick. Where is that in Bhagavatam? She is searching for a stick. So she took a stick, moving, looking for the footprints, and went outside. So devotee always see Lord Krishna all the time, everywhere is Krishna for him. Nana purasta tatha prushtatasti namostute sarvata. It will come later on. Says, I pay my homage in front of you, from the back side, from right side, from left side, from upside, from bottom side. How can you go below Krishna, over Krishna? No, just to pay obeisance I can go anywhere. That is devotee. Devotee means totally surrender to Krishna. See? Mahatmanastu mam partho devim prakriti masritaha bhajanti ananya manasho. We talked about ananya. Ananya means not anya. Anya. No anya. He will not surrender to anybody else. Okay? Now party came from the front, very mridangam, very good dab, dancing up and down. They're coming, Ganesh Chaturthi party. And I'm a devotee of Krishna. What should I do? What should I do? One who does not surrender to anybody else except Krishna is called Ananya. And Krishna will talk, Ananya Chintayanto, later on he will come. So what is Ananya? No Anya! I will not surrender to anybody. My head belongs, it came to me. Listen, it happened to me. ISKCON people are so bad, very bad people. I joined 1972 and I know they are very bad. 37 years I lived in America. I know ISKCON people, they cannot be worse than Ravana, is ISKCON people. What happened? When they created trouble, I went there in the whole GBC body, sat there. I said, this is my last minute. I am going out. I said, they passed a resolution, I resigned. I accepted my resignation. I came to Vrindavan. ISKCON thought, such a valuable man, we cannot afford losing. What happened? Such a valuable man, we cannot afford losing. So, whose words he can listen? Who is his closest friend? Who is closest to him? They found out. Somehow, I don't know, they have so many anucharas. They have Kamsa had so many anucharas. So they have so many anucharas, they found out whose words he can listen. And he is from Visakhapatnam, Telugu. I love Telugu people. Why? From the day one. So I have a very nice friend. He's dead now, maybe 10 years older than me. He's a Swami. He became Swami when he was 3 years old. And he joined my Guru's movement. But Guru died and he took initiation from my Guru's godbrother. But very scholarly, very learned from Visakhapatnam. They reached there. That old man all the way came to Vrindavan without letting me know. No Gaudiya Math knew. He's Gaudiya Math. No Gaudiya Math knew him that he's coming. An Acharya who has 1,000 disciples, he got 10, 12 temples, 15 temples, more. He got millions of rupees. He came alone, nobody with him. And I was living in King's Palace. Vrindavan has King's Palace. And King gave me the key. And I left ISKCON. I cannot live there. I don't want to go to my parents. The day I left my parents, I never looked like this towards them. So I left them. Where I say, I went to the king because he is also known to me. So he gave me the key. I lived in the palace. So how would he know from Visakhapatnam that where I am living is controlled? See? So he came. He said, you cannot become successful alone. You cannot. You can join me. And then we can be together. And I'm going to die. I don't see any qualified devotee of mine who can become Acharya. You can be Acharya in my society. You know how much I have, so many properties, so many temples. I will be dead soon. I'm very weak already. I have a heart problem. I said, I'm married already. You are talking to a wrong person. I said, you're talking to the wrong person. I already have my Guru. I have my Krishna. You're talking wrong. Because we are good friends. We talk 10, 15 minutes joking, laughing, talking. Then he revealed all this. Then I found out that he was sent by these fellows because they cannot afford losing a valuable person. So I was very valuable leader also. I never swept the floors. I was very leader. You cannot afford. Devotee don't want to surrender to anyone because his head is already sold. His heart is sold. He is no more his. He is no more. He is owned property by Guru. He is Guru's property. He is no more husband, wife, children's property. No more Maya's property. No more Vidhata's property. He is property of Guru. Surrendered already. Sir, you're talking to the wrong person. You go and walk. Otherwise we will have a fight right now. Please go, I respect you. I gave him 20 rupee note, one bundle. And he said, go, please go. 20 rupee notes, one bundle. Please go. Because now, if you speak one more word, you are in a trouble. I said. So he found out, I am a chaste devotee. Namaskaram. And we are God brothers, we can talk like this. He left. See? Mahatma.